Hey, today I'm putting this speaker to its limits. This huge GEYGUY Bluetooth Karaoke speaker is all-in-one party system. It's a great speaker for who love singing. Party animals are just for your garden parties. It has built-in battery, a 10-inch bass woofer, and a 1.3-inch tweeter. The speaker has 3 sound modes: indoor, outdoor, and super bass. You can also adjust the low and high frequencies. To remove the speaker grille, you just need to unscrew 4 screws, and the grille comes off easily. Here is the woofer. If you want to see more about this speaker, check out the full unboxing, setup, and review on TechQ Home channel. But now let's test the sound and bass.
Out. In. Super bass. Out. In. Super bass.